In this video on my workbench, no electronics at the moment. Of course it's now spring and perhaps I have somewhat more interest in other things. Anyway, this was the more or less the final video that I published relating to electronics. It's the amplifier. I'm still ordering components in Germany from Reichelt to finish this job, but at the moment I'm working on this kind of stove. And at first I studied all kinds of stoves that were made in the past, especially in World War II in the Netherlands, where they had to heat up the food with, say, a kind of minimum wood or whatever. So this is more or less mimicked from these old stoves in the Hunger winter of 1945. Sorry, I have to say that anyway. This is that stove, and I bought two buckets, steel buckets. This is one of them, and this is was the other one. This was a smaller one, by the way, and I have made out of this smaller one this kind of ashtray. That's here. This is the ashtray. The ashtray is going here into the underside of the stove, and I will surely make a door here. And of course this is all like all my experiments, completely experimental, so I hope that it works. Of course I need some air, some draft, say, going from the underside to the upper side. And of course this is only a first experiment. The idea was to use this pan, it's a wok pan, and to put it here on the stove. And of course it must be made, say, in a kind of fixed way, stable way, so that the whole oven cannot top over, etc., etc. So perhaps I'm going to make here a kind of plate or whatever solution. Anyway, this is kind of first idea. Thanks for watching. It's no electronics now. It's completely another subject, but anyway, perhaps it's interesting how I made it. This is a cream can that will be used as a kind of pipe to take away the fumes out of the wood that's burnt inside here. And of course here inside there must be a grid where the wood can be positioned and start to flame, etc., etc. Well, that's more or less all to tell. And this is of course the ashtray. So, thanks for watching. No electronics today. Perhaps it's interesting.